double bell na 304B. So ano siya, color black na Sun Viper. Ayan, so eto guys, itong mga nakikita yung basa-basa, ano lang yan, grease from factory. So complete markings, and then may plate na rin siya for optic attachment. Ayan. Then kasama na yung case, Continental coin, Continental card, extra nozzle, and tsaka yung cleaning rod. So metal slide, metal din yung frame. So may under rail na rin for attachment. And then guys, yung mga markings nya, yan, meron naman siyang markings, Sun Viper. So thank you kay boss, initials na lang, thank you kay boss D. Price is 4,900. Check nyo guys sa clearance, sa budget meal folder natin. Okay, test natin. Thanks.